This is the landing page of SecureBoard. It shows the visualization such as alerts each month, real-time traffic, and a pie chart showing the types of alerts over the months. So now let's register a new user. Okay, let's copy this. Okay. So the user has been successfully registered. Now let's log in as the user. As you can see, the only user that is currently assigned to this organization is Cheryl. So we need to add a few more users for the different roles. Cheryl 2, uh, Cheryl 2. Okay, so this will be the network administrator. Okay. Okay, so this now let's create the data analyst. Data analyst. The data analyst has been created. Now let's create the IT manager. Okay, all the rules have been created. Now let's log into the network and administrator panel. I think it was, I'm not sure whether it was Cheryl 4. Let's log in and see. Okay, this is the IT manager panel. So should be Cheryl 2. I think it was Cheryl 2, right? Okay. So this is the IT manager panel. Currently, there are no logs being logged here. So looking at offenses page, okay, playbooks also, it's nothing there. So the first step that we need to do is add in the client's IP address. So let's go to our Kali machine to view the IP address that we need to add it in here. So I'll SSH into the victim machine instance, and the IP that we need to add it is here. As you can see, the IP has been successfully added in. So now let's simulate the attack. Okay, now we are stimulating the attack to the victim machine. So I have simulated three types of different attack. This is using the attack script and two other versions, which is attacking the Apache 2 server that is running on the victim machine. Okay. Now let's take a look at the logs. As you can see, the logs are being coming in, and there's an attempted information leak and also other types of logs. Executable code was detected. So if we wait more, then more of these logs will come in, and yeah. We just reload the page to see if any more is coming in, or that's all. Okay, so yeah, I think okay, we can go to the dashboard right now to see the visualization. Okay, so these were the three types of attacks that were being detected by the VM. Okay, so as you can see, the snot forwarding has reached our server. Next, let's create a playbook to automatically block the attacks. Okay, so adding a new playbook. So this is a threshold based condition. So if there were like 5 or more attacks in the same IP address for a window period of, let's say, 20 minutes, then it should automatically block the IP address. So we set the status of this to be active and then we publish it. So as you can see, the playbook has been created, and now we have to wait a while for the IP to be blocked, because it's a task in the machine that runs every about 3 minutes. So we have to wait for this to happen. Okay, I think it's quite fast. So one IP has been blocked. We can look at the block list. Okay, that's the IP. So this is the IP of our machine that it blocked because we simulated the attack, right? Okay, so now for the next phase, let's okay, so let's look at the machine learning predictions. For that, the first step is to upload the network logs here. Upload network logs. Okay. So this process takes a while, although this says that it has already been uploaded. It takes a while to upload, so we will look, in the meantime, we will look at the data analyst panel. Okay, I think it was, okay, it's 3 or 4. Okay, so this is the trained model panel. Here you can add in machine learning models to do predictions. Okay, so let's say this is model 3. Then algorithm is decision tree. So it's a multi-classification model, right? So let's um, okay, so we have added in the JSON mapping here. Okay, and we need to upload the model file. Okay, decision tree model. Use default preprocessor, use default features. So let's upload this model. Okay, and we have to activate it. So let's log out of this and then log in back as the network administrator. Okay, this is the IT manager. Okay, since we are at it, we can see that the playbook is created and also account activities. So this user has been created. All the users that have been created is shown here. So if a user is deleted, it's also shown here. So the IT manager also has access to the dashboard panel, so the types of attacks being detected. Okay, so signing it in as the network administrator right now. Okay, I think the username might be wrong, right? Yeah. Okay, so okay, logging in our network administrator panel, if you look at the ML predictions, right, we can see the different types of attacks that is being detected: bot, infiltration, and denial of service. This is by the ML model that has been uploaded. Okay, thank you. That will be all for our demo presentation.